हेलो एवरीवन। तो कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप आप सभी बढ़िया होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू ए डाइपोल एट एक्सियल पॉइंट। ओके, देखिए ये हमारा माइनस क्यू चार्ज है, ये प्लस क्यू चार्ज है। ओके, ये पॉइंट ए मान लीजिए, ये पॉइंट बी। ओके, ये हमारा पॉइंट ओ है। डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पॉइंट ए एंड ओ इज ए एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ओ एंड बी इज also a. Okay, and this is our point P. Okay, distance between OP is, let's suppose, x. Okay, we have to find out electric potential due to dipole at axial point. Okay, electric potential at point P due to the dipole is, electric potential at point P due to a dipole is what? P equal to V1 plus V2. ओके, V1 की वैल्यू किसके बराबर होगी? -1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इंटू क्यू चार्ज डिवाइडेड बाई व्हाट? AP. ओके, देन प्लस 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट इंटू क्यू डिवाइडेड बाई BP. ओके, पॉइंट P पे चार्ज माइनस क्यू के कारण जो पोटेंशियल है V1 हमारा किसके बराबर है? -q डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट AP. ओके, AP क्या है? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन -q चार्ज एंड P पॉइंट. ओके, and potential due to plus q charge is equal to V2, which is equal to 1/4 pi epsilon naught into q divided by Vp. Vp is the distance between plus q charge and point P. Okay, so we write V equal to minus q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, here AP is equal to what? AP is equal to R plus A. Okay, and PP is equal to what? R minus A. Put the value Q divided by R plus A. R plus A plus 1/4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by BP. BP is equal to what? R minus A. Okay, now solve this expression. We take common in both 1/4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, into in bracket 1/r minus a plus 1/r minus a minus 1/r plus a. Okay, take LCM. Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. We take LCM here, r square minus a square. Okay, in bracket r plus a minus r minus a. Okay, After solving this, we get v equal to q into 2a divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square minus a square. Okay, here we know that dipole moment p is equal to q into 2a. Okay, here 2a is distance between the charges and q is the magnitude of charge. Put this value in this expression, we get p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught in bracket r square minus a square. Okay, for a short dipole, a square is very less than r square, so we neglect a square. Okay, so we write potential v is equal to p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square. Okay, this is our expression for the electric potential due to a dipole at axial point. ओके, पहले हमने क्या किया, पॉइंट पी पे पोटेंशियल निकाला ड्यू टू चार्ज माइनस क्यू, एंड देन आफ्टर वी विल राइट पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू प्लस क्यू चार्ज, and we add both potential v equal to v1 plus v2. Okay, and after solving this expression we get potential v equal to p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square minus a square. Okay, when a square is very less than r square, then we neglect a square. Okay, so we get v equal to p divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into r square.